They're giving people free AI video generation directly inside YouTube. No paid subscription, no editing software, and no complicated setup. But is this actually good or just another gimmick hidden inside the app? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this free AI video tool inside YouTube and how you can create AI videos, dancing animations, image-to-video clips, and more completely free. So first, open the YouTube AI section and tap on the plus icon. Once you do that, you'll enter the AI generation area, where all the templates and tools are located. Right away, you'll notice there are already a bunch of AI video templates available. These are basically pre-made styles that you can use instantly. For example, if you want one of those viral AI dancing videos or animated clips, you simply tap on the template you want and upload a full-body image. The AI then generates a video automatically for you. And honestly, the quality is surprisingly good for a free tool. The animations are smooth, the results look clean, and the process is extremely simple. Now, if you go back, you'll also see an option to create AI videos using prompts. This works similarly to other AI generators, where you type what you want to see, and the AI creates the video for you. You can either use the default prompts already provided, or enter your own custom prompt. Once you hit Generate, the AI starts processing the video. Usually it only takes around a minute, depending on the complexity of your request. After it finishes, you can preview the video, download it directly to your gallery, or even continue editing it for YouTube uploads. Another feature I really like is the image-to-video option. You simply upload a photo from your gallery, and the AI transforms that image into an animated video clip automatically. There's also a dancing video feature where the AI animates full-body photos into movement-based videos, which is probably one of the most popular tools right now for short-form content creators. The best part about all of this is that it's completely free. You don't need a subscription or premium plan to start testing these features, which makes it super accessible for beginners. Now, obviously, it's not perfect. Some prompts work better than others, and the AI can still make mistakes occasionally. But for a free, built-in YouTube AI tool, it's honestly pretty impressive. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of AI videos you'd create with this tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.